A very good morning, parents and my dear children. Today I have come with Tinker Book 7. Tinker Book 7. We need to open to page 1 to 12 with letter X. With letter X. Now see, this is Mama X and this is Baby X. Now what is the phonetic sound of letter X? So let us start. X for Xmas tree. X for X-ray fish. This is an X-ray fish. It is translucent. Okay, see, we can see the bones of the fish. See, so this is an X-ray fish. X says X, X says X, X says X. X for Xmas tree, X says X, X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree, X for X-ray fish. They start with letter X. So X says X, X for Xmas tree, X for X-ray fish. That is on page 12. Now we come to page 13. So see, it is saying read aloud. So what can you see in the pictures? There are 3 pictures related to letter X. X for Xmas tree, X says X. X says X, X for X-ray. X says X, X for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Okay. So there are 3 vocabularies here. You have to learn X for Xmas tree, X for X-ray, X for X-ray fish. Now we come to page 1414. So what is written here? Practice. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures, and now we have to choose pictures which are related to letter X and we need to circle. Look at the pictures, circle the ones whose name begin with the sound of letter X. So what did I say? X says X. The phonetic sound X says X. X for X-ray. You can take a pencil or you can take a color pencil or you can just circle. X for X-ray. X for Jeep? No. X for parrot? No. X for X-ray fish. You circle. Now this is very famous. X for Xmas tree. So you will circle. Now we come to page 1515. Over here it's saying look at the pictures. See, there are pictures with light green, dark green Christmas tree. Match the Xmas tree with the ones with Mama X, capital X, to the ones with Baby X, small letter X, by drawing lines. So we have Mama X here and the Baby X here. You can draw a line. You can do matching. Now this is Baby X and this is Mama X. You can do matching. Now this is Mama X and this is small x, small letter X. So this is matching. So this is, we have to match capital letter with the small letter, and these are the Xmas trees. The light greens are the Baby X and the dark greens are the Mama X. Now we come to page 1616. See, 1616. What does it say? Practice. First you have to color the Xmas tree. See, I have colored with green color Xmas tree, green color, and all the star and all the bells, whatever it is, you can use different colors and you can decorate. And now I will take one chocolate color to color the pot. See. X for X-ray, sorry, X for Xmas tree. So you will color this. Let your child color accordingly, whatever color they feel like, but only the green color will be the Xmas tree, light green or dark green. Now I take a pencil, or if you want to take a color pencil. So hold the pencil. Now this is the correct formation of capital letter X, Mama X. So we need to trace. So you take a slanting line down, a slanting line down. One goes to the right side, one goes to the left side. Okay. So this is capital letter X. This is capital letter X. This is capital letter X. Let them hold the pencil. Take the grip of the pencil. Slowly, slowly, slowly they will trace on the dotted line and they will write capital letter X. This X formation is correct. This X formation is correct. Okay. No need to change the formation. This is the correct formation of letter X. So you will carry on with the work what is given here. Okay. Now we come to page 1770. Now see, we have a picture over here. It's saying color the picture. Now you tell your child to color accordingly. Ask them, what can you see in the picture? I can see an X-ray fish. I can see a X-ray fish. So let them color whatever color. So I will color light pink color. So this is the color of an X-ray fish. Okay. So this is X-ray fish. So color the picture. So I've colored X-ray fish. Now this small letter X. This small letter X is a wrong formation. This line will not go slanting right or left. This is a wrong formation. You have to make a small curve towards your left and one towards your right. This is your, okay, a small curve, two curves. You know how you write C, letter C? Left open curve and this is right open curve. This is left open curve and this is right open curve. So now you will not trace on the dot ones. I have traced a small X over here. So you follow that and then you at the side of it, you write this formation of letter X. Left open curve and this is right. See, now this line should not come. Okay. Slowly you make your child practice and they will learn how to write the correct formation. So X says X, X for Xmas tree, X for X-ray, X for xylophone, X for X-ray fish. What is a xylophone? Xylophone is a musical instrument. So done? So this is the correct formation of letter X. Small x, you will write left open curve and right open curve. Follow the correct formation and do the work accordingly. Okay. From page 12, letter X, X says X. The phonetic sound with Xmas tree, X-ray fish, X-ray and xylophone. X for xylophone. Xylophone is a musical instrument. And over here you will circle the pictures related to letter X. Over you will match with capital X with mama X with baby X. Okay, and then you come to page 16 and you come to page 1770, capital letter X and small letter X, and you will color the pictures accordingly. Till then, have a good day. Bye. God bless you all.